What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Letitia and this is That's So Letitia. And if you read the title of my video, oops, I did it again. But I did it on purpose. And what was that on purpose? So if you guys saw my last Juvia's Place mystery box video, you would know that I spoke very highly, very much so in favor of having reoccurring beauty mystery boxes sent out to us, that it would be exciting, it would be surprising to get like new beauty products every so often, you know, to add to your beauty arsenal and that whole bit. So with that being said, I did it again. And that again is Juvia's Place Halloween Mystery Box. Now, let's go over a few things. So, according to their website, this box, pretty similar to the previous box, is valued, I hope you guys don't get a glare from my glasses, is valued at $58. So the products in this box retail at least $58. However, the mystery boxes, you are only paying $16 plus tax and shipping. So you're looking at anywhere between $20 to maybe about $25, $27, give or take. Plus you could take a little bit more off if you use one of the various influencers promo codes or discount codes. Me, I typically tend to use Fumi. I love her. That's my girl, just saying. So let's get right into the product, okay? So they tell us in this box that we're gonna get 2 eye makeup products, we're gonna get 1 face makeup product, and we're gonna get 1 lip makeup product. Okay, so for the face product, we have, this is their Heroin. Can you guys see that? This is their Heroin Glow Part 2, which is a baked highlighter. What's this? Okay, we have a 12-hour long Wear Nubian Intense liner. Pencil liner. Okay, I'm assuming this to be like a eyeliner, since they say we would get 2 eye products. So that's this one. And what is this? Okay, so this is a Juvia's Place Liquid Matte Lip Gloss / lipstick. And that is this guy here. And for the grand finale, because they tend to always give you a palette. They're really good on giving you a palette. This is a great way to collect all of their palettes at such a large percentage off of what you would possibly pay retail. And then sometimes you might luck out and get a palette that is no longer in production, like I did with the Fumi palette in the last mystery box. Okay, so this one is the Festival by Juvia. I like how the packaging kind of is giving a bit of Halloween. It's orange and yeah, I like that. So let's see. Okay, so this is a 9-pan eyeshadow palette. I will say I do not have this palette, so that is a welcomed addition to my makeup collection. And there you have it, guys. I guess my final thoughts on this box. I will say the first mystery box actually wooed me a lot more than this one. I don't necessarily know if it was because it was a new thing and I had never received a mystery box, or the fact that the palette that I got in the box was one that I had wanted and waited too late to actually purchase. So they went out of production, or not production, but they were no longer in stock or being listed. This box, it's a nice box, but the first one, the first one drew me in, and the first one kind of left a lot to live up to. Did this box live up to that? For me, not necessarily, but that's okay because I love makeup. So I'm going to find a reason to use all of these products. If they have another mystery box, would I be opposed to purchasing? Of course not. I already got my debit card waiting. So the moment that they announce their new mystery box, I'm gonna purchase that one too. I mean, again, if you purchase all of these products separately, say from Ulta or even on their website, if they're all still listed, they're telling you you're gonna pay $58. To get all of these for under $20, especially if you use a discount code, that's a steal, guys. We can't beat that. But with that being said, that is all I have for you great people today. Thank you so much for tuning into this very short mystery box unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you were wondering if they were going to do a new box or wondering what was in the Halloween mystery box, hopefully this unboxing answered those questions for you. So I will put a link in the description box below to where you can actually purchase one of these mystery boxes on your own. They say that it's for Halloween, so I'm assuming it's for the month of October. By the time you guys will see this video, it will be the first week of October, meaning you should have some time to purchase if in fact you are interested in doing so. And yeah, so until next time, guys, be well, and we shall chat again soon.